Yes! Solo shuffle. Let's go. The Healy Q pops. We're fucking in. Two caster, two melee. What can we make work? We have very slim communication going on between the team. This is already a good start. Monk looks a little under geared. We'll see what these two guys can make happen. No idea what the game plan is for them. I'm gonna try to get some clones out. Farrell's behind them, and our monk is kind of just sitting on the pillar. Oh, he's going in. They're looking to engage. And the mage is waiting for me. There's the mage. I'm gonna open with a bash on him if I can get in range. Oh, healer. This is not looking good. Karma. My Feral's back there behind the pillar. Priest is trying to fear me. Looks like we stabilized, but we popped some cooldowns. Did not see that poly being cast. I'm trolling. Come on. Oh, the purge is hurt. They hurt. I'm gonna trank just so I don't get CC'd at all. Trinket that. Oh, he got hit from 40%. You love to see it. I kind of fucked up getting polyed in the middle there. I think I should have dashed from the beginning, so I just had that extra burst of speed. See if Mage Feral's any better. I'm not sure if I should go Thorns versus the Windwalker. It might not be bad. Resto Druids have pretty much no damage. Star Surge hits alright, but it just doesn't end up having the same throughput as a Disc Priest or even the Monk. Okay. So far so good. It's looking a little scary now. Oh my god, what just happened to them? This Frost Mage, holy shit. I didn't even see what is this kid about? 1133 Tichondras. He's down here in Elo Hell with the rest of us, trolling with the retards. Brr, he's cold. Straight up cold. Iceland's machine go bird. Yeah, wow. Finally, those doors disappear. Oh. I almost bashed him in that opener, but somehow it popped me out of stealth. Guess we're back here. I'll bash this guy. Feel like I need to make some space. Take that mind games off. Our healer's pretty far. Oh shit. The block. They swap to the monk. Invigorate. Kinda scary. They have damage for sure. Oh, our dude is over here getting worked. Can I cast? Kind of a scary one to make. Oh. Shrinking. I'm very glad that they're not kicking me. I should not have been able to get any of those casts off. We clone the Pharaoh because his damage is kind of crazy. Cloning the priest now. Oh. That NS heal did absolutely nothing to him. Damn, we're getting a little unlucky here. Our Windwalker doesn't have that much gear. But we have the Ellie Shaman this time, luckily. Stun the mage, maybe I can clone him. What is happening, bro? What? He was at like 75% health. What am I doing wrong? We're just not CCing the burst. Not iron barking, I guess. Not mitigating their burst with the iron bark. I'm not vortexing enough. They're both getting cleaved down, I don't know who I could clone except the healer. Got one off. And there we go, we won, just like that. The monk is bad news. So let's see if we can actually pull it off to 3-3. It's going to be slight hit to our rating if we can't. So if it's really the monk that's been trolling us, we need to be able to pull this one off. The mind games, cleansed it. All my haunts fell because I didn't get the swift mind off in time. It's okay. Now I'm getting purged by the mage. We are Gucci. We are Gucci. My guy's in there. Set off a Star Surge. Let's try and clone the healer. Full clone. I'm incapped. And we won 3-3. Just like that. We were getting trolled hard by the monk. It was looking scary for a minute. In the end, 0 rating change. You'd love to see it. Absolutely 0 progress made for all of our hard work. Not sure what the priest trinketed in the beginning, but hey. We got an easy clone off. No one was going for kicks. Mage got 1 poly off on me in 1 game, and that was pretty much it. Although I wasn't really watching for it. I was controlling on that. And the key pops again. What has Blizzard brewed up for us in this one? What kind of bullshit have they conjured? Paladin? Warlock? What spec could he possibly be? Affliction. Since the affliction nerfs, I'm not sure how I feel about them. Locks are still locks. Versus Rogue Hunter. Some thug. I'll need to watch out for the mind games. Let's see, what else can we do here? Maybe Thorns? Is this a Thorns angle? CC the Rogue. Maybe not a Thorns angle. Where's my... I'm sideways? I don't know who he's talking to now break the fear. The Pally, maybe? Ooh, cleanse the mind games, have to pop out, not good. I'm kidneyed. He got Hodge evasioned. I'm getting bursted. Okay, popping on my cooldowns. I mean, I look like I'm pretty healthy. Pop one of these down. Pally form, and oil. Where's my Pally? Pop that on him. And we won, just like that. Didn't even have to do anything except get beat up by a rogue a few times. Oh, we're against City Girl again. Oh, hello, Breeze. Is our guy confused? He doesn't know which way to face? I didn't even use Thorns last game. All blues, no enchant, first game. We took the road. Ooh. Ooh. Is this looking like another 3-3 angle? Or can we pull something magical out. No wonder he wasn't fucking us that hard. Sap on the pally. They're on the priest, maybe? Bash the rogue. I'm blinded instantly because he trinketed. Do I need to trinket this? Is this... Did I fuck up? Wild growth. Alright, at least I got that off. Cloning the healer. Oh, I have nothing for this guy. Oh, I'm feared. Trinket, train. Oh, that wasn't it. Kind of biffed the lip. But our team is back. I have no trinket for the next kidney, which is bad news. Oh, rogue's dead, and we're good. Oh, looks like it might be the 3-3 angle. We haven't gotten the rogue on our team yet. Facing the wrong way. I'm confused now. Healthstone, which we conveniently have keybound. Only in bear form, apparently. Go pally, this guy says. Out of nowhere. What is this guy on? Our positioning here is not good. I'll get that Hodge, but that means I can't get mind games. Ooh, oh my god. Not like this, not like this. I'll use my healthstone just off the rip. Oh, that's not good. I have to trinket that. No, I needed to trink. What did I press? Looks like it's not the 3-3 angle. I fucked up. This warlock kind of just trolled out of nowhere. Oh, I needed to trinket that kidney way sooner. The pally actually kind of fucks. Hunter. Gonna pen on pal. This warlock, I think, is not with it. And I'm not sure about this. I guess the gate is okay. Maybe we could have used it to the other pillar, though. He gets the sap on the ret. Is he gonna open on the disc, or is he waiting? Hunter trap. I'm just gonna let him sit it. He trinkets the Hodge, kind of unnecessary. And evasions away. Oh my god, no! He takes so much damage. It's the Paladin angle. I think the Warlock is also trolling hard. Just a hunch. He did do a fuck ton of damage that last game, but seems like he was going PvE mode. Opens with a mark for death kidney. I just cloned it. Oh, heavy damage on him. We won just like that. Fuck yeah, let's go. Blue Rogue. Easy money. This Warlock is trolling, man. All I had to do was hit him with the single bash. Poly Priest. I wonder who he thinks has that ability. The Repentance from Pally or Cyclone? Okay, he actually locked me on that. I really need to heal the rogue. I should not have taken Thorn. Ooh, that stun, not good. I had to trinket. Oh, I needed to trank. Oh, it wasn't enough. Fuck. The rogue's gear diff. Another 0-0. Me and City Girl have just traded back and forth. And I guess that concludes our solo shuffle.